What's up, YouTube? Komnamu back here with you once again. Thank you for your time. As always, please like and subscribe if you like this content, if you enjoy this content. This is a quick vid, but I think this is very, very useful, very impactful, and potentially life-altering information for a lot of people. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make money investing in the future. Specifically, I'm going to teach you how you can invest in ETFs on themes focused in the future. Themes that are likely to grow in the future and are likely to make you money if you're an investor. What's an ETF, you ask? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund, and they are baskets of stocks, so broad portfolios of stocks that track a theme, such as electric vehicles or oil and gas or robotics. So when you invest in an ETF, instead of putting your money in just one stock, with one single investment, you're putting your money into a broad portfolio of stocks. So it's diversified and therefore a lot less risky than investing in a single stock. This is a phenomenal website that introduces you to ETFs available around specific themes. So the symbol, and this is the symbol that you'd enter in Thinkorswim or Robinhood or Webull or whatever app you use. For this is BOTZ, B-O-T-Z, and I think I've actually covered this in one of my past videos. But it tracks companies focused on robotics and artificial intelligence. SNSR, Internet of Things, which is essentially putting internet capabilities in things like your fridge, your washing machine, your car, whatever. FINX, FinTech, social media, video game and esports, LIT, lithium and battery technology, autonomous and electric vehicles, cloud computing, which is software as a service, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and others such as e-commerce, education, cannabis, genomics, and biotechnology. And I've included the link to that website in the description of this video so you can take a look at it on your own time. As I mentioned before, ETFs are much less risky than investing in individual stocks. And this is especially valuable when you know that a theme or a space will evolve and make money, but you don't know how much you can trust a specific stock. For example, you know that everyone's talking about electric vehicles and that they'll be the future and that they'll replace conventional fuel combustion vehicles. You've heard a lot about Tesla, but you don't know if you can trust Tesla. You don't know if Teslas may be overvalued, and in the next 1 or 2 years, Mercedes-Benz will come up with a fleet of beautiful electric vehicles, and people will finally realize that this Tesla looks like it was sketched up by a 4-year-old, that this Tesla looks like a toad. Investing in an ETF shields you from the price fluctuation that investing in an individual stock may give you. Even if Tesla's price goes up and down, or ultimately down, if you invest in an electric vehicle ETF and the electric vehicle space does well over the next few years, you will win as an investor. You may be asking yourself, can I really make much money investing in ETFs? But let's take a look at the performance of a couple of the ETFs shared on that link. Global X Funds, Global X Cleantech ETF is up 60% over the past 3 months. Global X Lithium and Battery Tech ETF, which tracks companies involved in the development of obviously lithium and battery technology and has a symbol of LIT, is up 128% over the past year. Can I please get an oh my God? Thank you, sir. I really hope that you'll add some of these future-focused ETFs to your own personal portfolio. I know that you'll look back 1 or 2 years from now and be very glad you did. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch me again. As I always say, I hope this content has been as useful to you as it's been to me. I'll see you next time. Take care.